Hi friends, in this video, you are going to see a aptitude on profit and loss. Aptitude 4. If books bought at prices ranging from 200 rupees to 350 rupees, are sold at prices ranging from 300 rupees to 425 rupees, what is the greatest possible profit that might be made in selling 8 books? Option A, 600, Option B, 1200, Option C, 1800. Option D, none of these. Pause the video, and try to solve the problem. Answer, 1800. Explanation. Least cost price equals 200 into 8 rupees equals 1600 rupees.
Greatest selling price equals 425 into 8 rupees equals 3400 rupees. Required profit equals 3400 minus 1600 rupees equals 1800 rupees.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.